How to install the BrandsGateway app to your Shopify store. It's simple as searching the BrandsGateway name within the apps. It just pops up, and here you are taken to the landing page for our application where you can see the pricing plans and the reviews. Afterward, you click on install, click on install again, and now you are within the Brands Gateway interface. Here we have a little setup wizard that will assist you in navigating through the app. Here and done. Next step, it guides you to import the products to your store. You just click on import products and you are taken to the product importer. The product importer contains all the filter by which you can select your products so that you can adjust the filters. Here, as it says, you can adjust the filters to narrow down your product selection. Choose the categories, brands, price ranges, and more to find out exactly what you want to import. Here, it shows you, based on your import, in which subscription plan you belong. The app is preset that way that all the products are selected, so when you will filter the products, this line will either go left or right. I click on next. Here I can browse my imported products. Then I click on next again and I'm importing the products to my store. Continue to the next step is what takes you to the billing page where you choose your subscription plan. We have 3 plans: Grow, Scale, and Enterprise plan. Based for my product selection, I have chosen the Enterprise plan. Now I will agree to the terms and conditions and continue with installing the app. Here I am approving the charge, and that is it. Now I have the Brands Gateway app installed to my store. Your product import has started. That means that my product import has started. My subscription is active from the moment I click on I agree and confirm the payment. And for next, we will talk in the other videos. If anything concerning you, contact us at support@brandsgateway.com. Thank you for watching.